Does the number of asset groups / content in a PMax campaign impact the amount of time it takes for the campaign to begin produce quality results? Yes, and actually twofold. So what's interesting is the more that you have, the more it's going to test, but it also tests in sequences is what we've been finding. You'll sometimes see CPC spike, but impressions dip. Or sometimes you'll see, impression spike and then conversion rate dip. But what's funny is you have to take into consideration, obviously, your metrics that you're tracking, which is conversions and cost per conversion, ROAS, whatever that may be. The vanity metrics may fluctuate, but what that means is that when it fluctuates, it's testing different platforms. But if it's testing different platforms like YouTube versus GSP versus Discover versus Display versus Shopping versus Search, you're going to see that it is going to take a little bit either longer, depending upon your ad spend, to test those inside of those ecosystems. But when it finds good producing results, it sticks to that and then tests the rest later. So for example, if you had 3 headlines versus 5 headlines, you might actually find that the one headline that you had, Google liked and is winning. Did it find it first or did it find it fifth? So it's the time to which Google finds what it likes. So if you have more, you have a better chance of finding it, but it also could take longer.